This is the seasonal stock and ETF report for today, July 25th, 2022. Let's go to Trade Seasonals and click on Start Scanning. I am logged in with a free account. That's the reason I see more than 10. So let's take a look. Some of the opportunities are long term, like Microsoft. That's probably because of the seasonally vulnerable time coming up soon, so opportunities are longer. 277-day opportunity last 10 years has been 19.21% average profit. Let's just take a look at the seasonal chart. Seasonal chart is just up. However, it slows down after 11.6. United Healthcare, 130 days today until December 2nd, average profit of 10.74. Pretty good Sharp ratio. Right now the trend is up. As you can see, it's been going up since June 17th. And let's take a look at the seasonal chart. Seasonal chart actually shows that right now it's a kind of a vulnerable time. It's going to go sideways. But then it's going to take off after end of September, beginning of October, right here. That may be a better time to buy United Healthcare than now. Although right now will be fine. But why hold a stock when you want to buy it at a better opportune time? Apple, the greatest stock ever. Look at this. Apple, something that just keeps going up. It has a very small bearish seasonality right around here, which is the month of September. Then it goes back up. It also has a little bit of bearish in the month of June. Otherwise, Apple is a great stock to hold forever, or at least while it continues to go up. Walmart is also a long term. Procter and Gamble, that's one of my favorite use cases. Look at Procter and Gamble here. It goes nowhere from beginning of the year until end of June. Then it goes up sharply in average. This is the time to hold Procter and Gamble, not here. This is a much better time. Merck. We are at a seasonally bullish time for Merck. This 20-day Merck opportunity has given an average of 3.03% in last 10 years. And IBM, the only short that we have, it's been showing short for a long time, but let's see why. Look at this. IBM drops off a cliff on October 16th. So all of what you're seeing is based on October 16th, and it just makes a huge new low. The best time to get into a short opportunity would be around here. It's a little premature unless you want to jump in and out for this drop. Yeah, month of August seems to be somewhat bearish, but this is the big one. Let's look at Boeing. I missed JP Morgan. JP Morgan, and if I wanted to get into JP Morgan, I would go here. Not yet. Boeing. Wow. Look at this sideways. Boeing goes nowhere between end of March and beginning of September. Then it takes off till beginning of December. This is the time to own Boeing right there. So I would just wait and get into it here. It's a little early for it. Although our analytics show that this is an opportunity, it would be fine where the average profit is 10.24%. If you wait, chances are the average profit would be higher. I'm just going to look at Caterpillar because it's a short term also. Big drop in 2019. That's why the Sharpe ratio is so low. But let's take a look. Oh, it's going all over the place. Again, Caterpillar, like many other stocks, best time to own it is right at the end of October. Right here. I want to get this. And here's a short opportunity beginning mid-September. We'll see if the Sharpe ratio of these opportunities is high enough, they'll show up on our opportunities list. This is it for today. We just went through Dow stocks only. We'll look at other ones tomorrow.